30 different locations in New Jersey. But that's going to take some time, and it needs to be more than one day. And Justin, you were key in helping us out with finding this data, and actually our group managed to fracture somewhat and working on different projects. So, did you want to take over?
Okay, so I'm working on the concept of giving the list of phone numbers and their geolocation. Consider that now you look for the areas for the plaza and you know all the, you can search the local and you get the local location and their phone numbers. If you keep these those numbers in the application working on, you'll be able to display them on the map and then calling them by just click or just have an automatic click to go or scheduling process. And call them if you can map. Who's not responding, who learns are busy, and if someone is responding using the API, we're going to have a script with various questions. I know, are you out of power, are you out of water, or other things like that. So if you can do kind of massive calling of specific area and trying to get a way of finding some answer some questions, and you can map those. So I'm also looking at how to be able to show this on a display and also that on the way to use that I know just showing only one without power. So I'm going to use the index again for that, which is MIT project. The library that gives you faster browsing over the map. So on the projects on GitHub, I'll just work most on the plumbing on getting it pretty much usable in its configuration management and database, because sometimes you have to probably not to deploy this internally on your internal data. You just cannot probably not just send to an online service all the phone numbers you may have access to. And I'll probably work on this also tomorrow, and I'm speaking and talking with on the phone with Ross Petty from Twilio on how this can be worked for us on it, and it's another hack day. So tomorrow's in hack day in London. I won't be there, but I'll try to find out who's there. And see if we can actually work further. I intend to work on this project for the next day.
So how do you, for example, an example of a possible use of the tool? How will
you can use it for part of doing some kind of technical marketing toy. I mean, you can probably use it on trying to map any other things on an area. You have on your members and organization, you can actually just send a survey and use a tool like this. But in the case of the disaster library, it's easy. It's nice to be able to map some areas. No, you may have phone lines, landlines still working because they have their own power, and somebody might answer in that end. And if you sample that, you have interesting data to find.
The way that this tied in was we recognized that not only did power companies have some sort of data, but there were some that really had really poor data. I should put it to you. So what we tried to do is find a way that a municipality, a county that doesn't have too much money to go out and spend on some reverse 911 system or one of the other commercially available systems can actually send out a message requesting information about a power outage at a residence or if their water is out. Because in many cases, the organizations that are responsible for restoring power or water or wastewater don't actually know that the citizens are without it. This might be a very inexpensive way to do that.
Originally, that's why I started the work. I know if you just try to find only power and not ask people, ideally you should try to call only fax numbers and see if the fax answers a fax signal. But no, today it doesn't give you that. But no, the fax, even if the phone line has power, the fax doesn't have additional source of power, it won't answer. So ideally you could use it like that, but we don't have a way to use Twilio to know if a fax answers or not. We don't have an idea for that.
It would be very,
but it'd be interesting as concepts on how to just ping machines.
Yeah, that would be
over the phone line. So we'll just with people asking that question.
Great. Okay.